If you're comparing Bubble and Bolt, the difference comes down to visual building versus AI code generation. Bubble is a mature, all-in-one visual no-code platform. You design your interface, manage your database, build workflows, host, and scale, all inside one ecosystem. It's built for creating complex, production-ready web apps without writing code. Bolt, also known as Bolt.new, takes a completely different approach. It's AI native. You describe what you want in a text prompt, and it generates real code, typically using frameworks like React or Node. That code can then be edited, exported, and self-hosted. Here are the key differences. Approach. Bubble uses a drag-and-drop visual editor with built-in database and logic. Bolt generates code from prompts. Target user. Bubble is ideal for non-technical founders, product managers, and solo builders who don't want to manage code or servers. Bolt is better suited for developers or technical users who are comfortable reviewing and customizing generated code. Control and customization. Bubble gives deep customization inside its ecosystem, but you can't export the code. Bolt gives you the actual code, meaning full control, portability, and manual editing. Hosting and scalability. Bubble is fully managed. Hosting, infrastructure, and scaling are handled for you. Bolt allows self-hosting and portability since you own the generated code. Limitations. Bubble has a learning curve and locks you into its platform. Bolt can run into AI limitations, rate limits, or inconsistent outputs for more complex applications. So when should you choose each one? Choose Bubble if you're building a complex, database-heavy app and want everything handled visually, in one place, without touching code. Choose Bolt if you want fast AI-generated prototypes, need to export and own your code, or are comfortable debugging and refining it yourself. In short, Bubble replaces coding with a visual system. Bolt accelerates coding with AI.